How to reset network settings on your Android phone. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to reset your network settings easy and fast. So what you have to do is go to setting like this and now scroll down and click on system, and then you will find many options here. Now click on this reset option as you can see, and now you will find reset network settings, and all what you have to do is click on it and everything is gonna be done. This is very easy and I hope this video was helpful for you. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the very end. See you.